guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're anything like me, at times you will find yourself in situations where you have to do your makeup on the go. I'm going to share 5 proven tips that you need in order to get a flawless face on the go. So tip number 1, cover yourself. It is very important for you to take something with you so that you're able to cover your nice clean clothes. You don't want to arrive at your destination with makeup stains all over your clothes. So it's very important to think about that. Take something to cover yourself because doing your makeup in the car is a very messy process. Tip number 2 is for the eyebrows. I would recommend an eyebrow mascara for you to use to groom your eyebrows because it is less messy and you don't have to clean up your eyebrows with concealer. You will get a natural looking eyebrow without all the work. As you can see, I struggled with my eyebrows here because I used the L'Oreal Unbeliever Brow. I do not recommend using this to do your brows on the go. Use something very easygoing, like an eyebrow mascara, to get the job done. When it comes to foundation, concealer, and contour, I suggest that you stay far away from the liquids so that you reduce the mess that may occur. Depending on where you are, the ride might be bumpy, the roads might be winding, and you really don't want to mess up yourself or mess up the car that you are in. So I would stick to cream or stick foundations, concealer, or contour. In this video, I was using my Lancome foundation and I was trying my very best not to get it on my very expensive dress. So take my advice, stay far away from liquidy consistencies when doing your makeup on the go. Tip number 4, the steps that require a steady hand, do them on the highway instead of doing them on the winding roads. In this video, I really wanted to challenge myself. I really wanted to see if I could do those steps on the winding roads. But in hindsight, I would have definitely done the makeup that required a steady hand. I would have done those on the highway. You're not doing yourself any justice by trying to do it on the winding roads. Number 5 is a tip that I should have said in the beginning. I hope you all stuck around in order for you to receive this very important tip. Let me know in the comments down below if you stuck around for tip number 5 because it should have actually been said in the beginning. Tip number 5, check your makeup bag to ensure that you have everything. I didn't check my bag before, and that is why I had to use bronzer as an eyeshadow, but I didn't mind. It actually gave me a natural looking makeup look, which is quite fine. So ensure that you check your makeup bag and ensure that before you leave the yard, you have everything that you need. So I have a bonus tip for you. Comment bonus down below if you stuck around in order to receive this bonus tip. Make use of the stop lights. The stoplights are our friend. And this kind of tying with the step that requires you to have a steady hand, you must do them on the highway. You can do them at the stoplight too. And when you reach the stoplight, you can stop and make any little change that you wanted to make to your makeup, any little intricate eye routine that you wanted to do. If you did want to blend out the bottom of your eye, you can do that. If you did want to apply a mascara to the one area what it missing, you can do that. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Leave a thumbs up if you liked this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let us strike up a conversation down there. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, enough love. Big up yourself. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.